I am excited to walk you through some of the basic features of an Evernote notebook. And over here off to the left, you see a toolbar. If I go down to where it says notebooks, I can see all of the notebooks that I have created so far. As of right now, I've just created two. One is in a subject area of my classroom that's called knowledge, and then another one is in skills. We're going to kind of dig into the knowledge notebook next. I'm going to go home here. There are several different features that you can use to add to a notebook to help you to stay organized for a particular project, activity, or in this case, I chose a unit that my class is working on. We're working through a unit on ancient civilizations. So I just put all of my resources here, all the notes for myself, and I also have some planning deadlines and just goals that I plan on meeting throughout this unit. You can grab a note to add a video. You can insert images on a note that might be helpful to your lesson. Here I have a to-do list. We have an application part to many of our lessons, and these are the more hands-on activities for the students, and I can prep those materials and then cross them off as we are able to finish them. I also have a reading list that I've started, just books that I plan on using with my class throughout this unit. Over here off to the right, there's a general place for just little random notes that I might have along the way throughout the unit. I have one student who I know is going to be gone this week, so I have a little mental note for myself to help him to catch up on his work when he returns back to school. I have a section where I can look at my recently captured images. This is one of those application activities I mentioned earlier. We are going to be creating an ancient civilizations chart to compare to different places in the world, Mesopotamia and Egypt. And this is what that chart will look like. So that's just a reminder for me. I also have a calendar option, so I can look either by day, week, month, or an overall schedule. And I can see important events that are coming up for my class. And then I can also create tags, insert templates, develop shortcuts if I have multiple notebooks and I want to be able to access specific ones more frequently. I also am able to do a quick search for any specific activities that I want to make sure that I can access quickly. Over to the right, I'm able to do a little bit more customization. I already have several things there on my main screen, but these are available widgets that I can add as I go along. I can have these right on the screen, or I can choose to have them remain hidden. So you've already seen my notebooks, my tasks, the scratch pad. I could add tags. Pinned notes could remain at the top, or I could filter out through my notes as well. I see Evernote as a very helpful way to stay organized with big projects, and I like the way that it's meant to be quick and just provides the opportunity to grab an idea or a concept with just a few words, add it as a note, and then I can choose to add as much or as little detail as I want, just enough to help me to feel confident about whatever it is that I'm trying to prepare for or present.